Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to duplicate or copy a comment box in a PDF file using Foxit PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Foxit PDF Editor. Now click on this home option and here you will find the select option and select annotation. Now click on this comment box you want to copy or duplicate and select. Now click right button for your mouse cursor and select copy. Now press Ctrl B for your keyboard and say this comment box. Now copy, you can put this anywhere and move it. Also I copy this comment box, press Ctrl C for your keyboard and press Ctrl V and say this comment box. Now copy, and here you can see this comment box color and so on. In this way you can copy any comment box and change this comment box position. Yeah, this is, and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.